Hey guys, we're back on the 06 Silverado that somebody doesn't like to keep clean, okay? But we're gonna replace the master cylinder on here, okay? Just because that he's having some flat spots. So as you know, we replaced the brake lines, we did the brakes, but we're also gonna replace this today, and we're gonna bleed the system afterwards, okay? So first, what we wanna do is there's a low electrical switch here, and then we're just gonna pry open on that little tab, because I think you're not going to be able to do it from the other side, so we're going to lift it and then pull that off like so. We're going to drain the fluid out of the system, and as you know, this is the same system I use to drain a lot of other stuff. So here we go, suction, and let's drain the fluid out. Hey, you didn't show my voice, did you? No, please. Alright, so we're just gonna drain it into this little cup. It's hot right now, but we're gonna drain it all in so that when we take it apart, it's not gonna make a big mess. So here we go. It's almost out, and it's nasty. So obviously we haven't been flushing our braking system. Oh, that stuff is almost full, man, Coach. What? Look at that. Look at that, man. Alright, empty. Alright, you know how brake fluid's so nasty, right? Alright, so there we go. Alright, so that takes care of that. Now, what we need to do is we need to undo the brake lines that goes to the proportion valve, and then we'll take it apart. Looking at the new part, that should be the easiest way to do it. We got the parts from Advance. Not a sponsor. Okay. We like to read the instructions first. Let's see if we have to bench bleed this, okay? Okay, important, this product has been carefully, read all instructions, note, replace damaged brake lines, fittings, replace, use only brake fluid that meets OE specifications, read, okay, installation, always wear first to vehicle service line. Yeah. Okay guys, I put the plugs in. We're going to bleed it. We're not going to put it on a vise just in case. I'm going to put the cap on it. Just put a little bit of fluid in there. And if you look, here, move the video camera right to one of those valves. I'm going to push it with a screwdriver. And if you look in the holes, you can see little bubbles coming up. Can you see that? And we're just going to make sure that the master cylinder itself is full. Okay, so. You see that? That's good. Alright guys, we're going to remove it. What we have here is looks like these are 9/16. So we're going to use the same flare nut wrench and see if we can get it on there and break those free. Like so, and I think that ought to do it. Okay, those are loose. And then the actual bolts. So I put it on one of these little wobble doohickeys. Okay, I'm going to put it in. I'm going to put my wrench on it. And there we go. That's one. There we go. Let's see if it's loose. That's loose. Let's go to the other side. Away. I'll take this one off. Take this one off. Okay, clean that off. Take this off, the two brackets for the brake lines. It's going to be a little bit of leakage, and this should just come out. That's the vacuum from the vacuum pump. Okay, there it is. Let's put the new one in. Boys. All right, here we go. Put a little dielectric grease on here. We're gonna put this back in. Make sure it's in there. Oops, it's easy. Okay, start the bolts back up. The nuts on this one. And on this one. Let's tighten it down. Okay, let's go. Okay. Tight. Okay. That's tight. Let's get the wrench and do one at a time. I'm gonna take these plastic plugs out, and then we'll just start off. A little rag. Make sure we get it hand threaded so that we don't cross thread. That's like no good if we do that. There we go, that one's going good. Okay, that one's going good. This one is not going good. So let's see. Let's get this one out again. Okay. What a pain in the butt, huh? But we'll make sure we are nice and hand threading that, because we do not want a cross-threaded piece there. And I am fighting big time to make sure. Dude, that's you. That's the call. Alright, now we're almost done. A little bit more. There we go. We're going to make sure it's just tight and not crazy. And we'll also check for leaks to make sure we're okay. Alright, so I'm just going to put the electrical connection in right here. Should fit, same. Oh man, that electrical connection does not have any play in it, Coach. It's like this one is sitting a little higher. Fridge, you know that? Yeah, look, there's just, I'll stop the tape for a second here. Find the starting point of this though. Wait a second. Why are those two pins not lining up? Don't you hate it when a piece? Oh, there we go. We've done. All right, I had to extend that a little bit out of the box because it was a little tight in there, but pull on it a little bit and it did come loose. And now there's plenty of room. We'll fill it and let's power bleed. Okay, let's do it. All right, guys, you can hear the compressor go in the back, but we're gonna bleed the brakes now after all the work is done. I've got the two-man job to start with, so the two-man job would be somebody in the cab, pressing on the pedal, holding it as you release this, okay? As you release it. So brake it a little bit and then we'll do it, okay? So go ahead and pump the pedal until it's hard and then hold it. You're holding it and don't let go until I tell you, right? and then we break it. We break the, and then see what comes out, and then tighten it. And then we'll do it again. Do it again, pump it again, and hold it. You tight? And then one more time. Do it again. Hold it. Okay, that's one way to do it, and that takes 2 men. But let's do a look. Let's use the other method. Okay, I'm gonna wipe this clean, and we're gonna use the other method of. We're gonna use this little tool here. Okay, it works on compressed air. I got about 90. That's why the compressor is running. I'm gonna put the adapter on the end here, right over the nodule. And then what you want to do is you want to push the trigger once you open. So here, I'm going to open. Keep your foot off the pedal. And then we're going to open the valve. And then we're going to hit the button. And you'll see fluid going through. And when it's clear, you can stop. Okay? And what we want to do is we want to get all the bubbles out until we get a nice clean spring. Alright, so I'm going to close it. Okay. Alright. I closed it. I closed that, so that's good. Alright, try compressing the pedal again. Alright, let go. Alright, that's nice and free. Okay. Hold the pedal again. And nice and hard. Okay, that's good. So I look for leaks or on all the joints. We want to make sure that we do not see anything dripping. We'll put the cap back on. And we'll get the rag on everything and make sure there is no... Alright, so put some pressure on there, please. And we'll check for leaks around all of our fittings to make sure there's no drippage. And if you take a look, right there, it doesn't look like there's any leaking. Over there, that doesn't seem like there's any leaking. The truck, I don't think there's any leaking. Go ahead and pump, please. Yep, there's no leaking. Okay. Alright, so stop. Stop. Okay, that's good. Alright, so that's it. That's how you would bleed all your brakes. And you should have a nice stiff pedal when you're all done, okay? And subscribe. Have a great day.